Well, here's our calendar. Today we'll do lesson 13, operations on functions. We're discussing functions and then more on functions. We started that a week ago or so.
I can't believe next week is spring break. It seems like this is just the second week of the semester to me. So.
Yeah. But next week is spring break. So we'll pick up on March 16th and do lesson 14, something called zeros of polynomials. Then we'll review for a test, or the second test. By review for the test, what do I mean? I'll have the little PDF or the review sheet and work it out up here, just like I did for the first one. And we take our second test on March the 23rd. Okay? I'm telling y'all this. I'm recording it. I'm posting it on YouTube. Why? So that y'all can email me when you miss class and say, I've been absent. Have you said anything important? I got one of those emails today. That's why it's there. Where are these videos being posted?
You're being so negative,
I know,
Tony.
Tim.
My
I don't
goodness,
it comes
it's the
out
last
negative
meeting before spring break.
I shouldn't be so negative, I know, but okay, this link takes you directly to this semester's playlist. When you click,
and through my oversight the last time, I forgot to stop recording the announcements and then start recording the lecture. It's all one video.
Yeah, so right here, this is the stuff from the last time. The new stuff will always be added at the end. Today we're going to have videos over operations of functions, and hopefully there will be one where it says class announcements. But I guess that's all I need to say. Let's
look back at the assignments.
Look back at the assignments. If you haven't clicked on assignments this morning, you're going to see a lot.
Remember, I told you we'd have stuff for y'all to do to keep you out of trouble during spring break. So
today we'll do assignment 13, lesson 13. And I'm about to say the most stupid thing I've ever said. If you're not here right now, you can watch these videos. These are the old videos over all of that material. Or you can go to the new playlist once it's uploaded and see what I'm doing, how I say it today, or how we say it today. Then 14. Now, some of y'all did the extra credit for test 1, where it was just the problems off of the old review sheet. Well, there's going to be, at this point now, there'll be 2 different reviews. There's the document sharing review sheet.
Have you opened that one?
Yes.
Okay, that's open.
Under document sharing, that's the multiple choice test. That'll look just like your test except fewer problems.
Is it open from mine?
Yes. Okay. And there's also a graded review for test 2.
Some of y'all didn't do that document sharing review because it didn't count for a grade, and so this one is graded. It looks it's just not multiple choice. If my math lab had it multiple choice, then it was multiple choice, but like some of the piecewise function thing would be multiple choice on this review. But anyway, it matches up perfectly.
Circle, center radius, form of a circle, which is exactly where, let me see, where's your review for test 2? Oh, it's not here. Let me
look under downloads. It may have gone into
maybe it was. I thought I moved it there, but maybe I'm thinking of a different class.
I may have gotten annoyed with it and
review for test. There. This is your multiple choice review for test 2. Let me make it bigger. Starts off with circles. That's exactly what. That's exactly where this thing begins. So this is a graded review for test 2. It goes in the order we've seen the material in. So you could go ahead and start working it. By the end of class today, you should be able to do all of it except
the last few problems.
Yeah, the last few problems.
So that stuff you can do this spring break to stay out of trouble. Work on your review for test 2, your graded review, plus the ungraded review on document sharing.
Yeah. Oh.
And the ungraded review, there are videos under assignments. So,
okay, so
even I'm sort of confused, Tony. I think we're saying too much. Just tell them go to the assignments and start working that stuff. Except not number 14 yet, because you can start working on the reviews. Okay, is that clear? The things that say review, right? Because remember, you have the in-class test, but you also have the online 373 quiz that you take at home, right?
Yeah, I'm going to show them that in a moment. Okay. Oh, like number 12, word problems we did the last time. Do y'all remember? How do you do them? Even without reading this question, it's one of those word problems. What are we going to do?
You're looking for a maximum.
Minus B over 2A.
Okay.
Okay, on this one, you don't even have to plug it in. On the test, on this review, and on the test, I'm just way too kind to y'all. Okay? So, looking back at just the assignments. All right, so we have a review for test 2, which you need to do. We have practice for at-home quiz number 2, which you need to do. That's a homework grade. Oh, there's videos of the test 2 review sheet. If you can't wait until March the 18th when I'll work that review sheet out for you, here's the videos of that review sheet worked out. And now the at-home quiz 2. Some of you may not be taking these at-home quizzes. If you think, I'm going to make an A in college algebra, so I'm not worrying about intermediate algebra grade, it'll be an A. Okay, but everything else is graded. Okay, this review for test 2 is a homework assignment. It's graded. The practice for at-home at-home quiz 2 is a graded homework assignment. Okay, so the only thing that you can opt out of, and I encourage you not to do that, but if you do it, okay, they're taking those at-home quiz number 2s. Your course grade, let's see, how's mine looking? Probably pretty low at this point. And I have an 88.9 at this point.
Not that the teacher's average matters the least bit, okay?
Yeah, but I want to show that as soon as I click on these, it gives a 0, okay? And that's what's bringing down my average right there. I've clicked on them, so it's using a 0 there. Now the ungraded videos, let's say entire course today, the ungraded videos, you can see those aren't going to have an effect on your grade, just like the extra credit for test 1. Either you got the points added to your first test grade or you didn't, but either way, it's not going to have an impact on your grade. Even though I didn't do the extra credit, I have a little 0 there, but it's not counting. That's what the little dimmed stuff means. It's not being counted for the grade. Okay.
Okay, we've rambled long enough. It's time to get started.
It is. Let me go ahead and stop it there.
Oh, wait a minute. Any questions? No? Okay. We all know what we're going to be doing, okay? You have plenty of stuff to keep you busy during spring break, right?
Test 2 is March the 23rd.
Did y'all go buy y'all's coronavirus rations